If AnyDesk is showing the ERRNO54 error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step so you can get connected again as quickly as possible. This issue is often caused by network instability, VPN interference, firewall restrictions, or direct connection problems, so we're going to cover each one in a simple, easy to follow way. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you should try is adding the /np parameter to the remote desk address. This is a simple workaround that can help when the error is related to port blocking or unstable routing. In the remote desk box, type the remote device's ID and then add np at the end before connecting. So if the ID is 123456789, you would type 134567891 np and then click connect. This tells AnyDesk to use a different connection approach and can often get you past the ERRNO54 error right away. If that does not solve it, the next step is to check your firewall settings. On your Windows computer, click the Windows search bar and type Windows Defender Firewall. Open it from the results. Once the firewall window opens, look for Allow an app through firewall near the bottom of the left side. Click that option, then click Change Settings. You may need administrator permission here, so approve that if Windows asks. After that, scroll through the list and locate AnyDesk. Make sure the boxes for both private and public are checked. This is very important because if AnyDesk is blocked on either network type, it can fail to establish a connection properly. Once those boxes are selected, click OK to save the changes. After handling the firewall, the next fix is to adjust AnyDesk's direct connection settings. Sometimes direct connections do not work properly because of network level restrictions, and forcing AnyDesk to route through its servers can help. Open AnyDesk, go to Settings, then select Connection. Click Unlock if the settings are locked, and then go to the General section. Look for the option that says Allow Direct Connections and uncheck it. By disabling direct connections, you are telling AnyDesk to use a more reliable connection path, which can solve the ERRNO54 issue on many systems. Finally, make sure your network itself is stable. A weak Wi-Fi signal, packet loss, a bad router connection, or problems on the remote device can all trigger this error. Check that both your local computer and the remote device have a steady internet connection. If possible, restart the router, reconnect to the network, or test using a different connection to see if the issue disappears. If you are using a VPN or proxy, try disabling it temporarily, because that can also interfere with AnyDesk connections. So to quickly recap, first, try the /np parameter in the remote desk ID, then allow AnyDesk through the firewall, then disable direct connections in AnyDesk settings, and finally confirm that both devices have stable internet. Following these steps should fix most ERRNO54 connection issues without needing any advanced troubleshooting. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials, fixes, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.